This is King Kaiba coming at you today with a pack opening video. Today we got 3 Duelist Alliance packs from our local Walmart. And with any luck, let's see if we can pull anything good. Pack number 1. We've got Super Heavy Samurai Swordsman, Vega, Doctor, Gaia, Altair. No hollow. Pack number 2. Junk. Ooh, a Falco. Need one of those guys. No hollow. Yugi gods, smile down upon me, so we may pull a hollow. Okay. Ooh, Sawani. Well, we got 1 hollow of the day. And the rest junk. So, that's it for today, guys. See you later.